Hey everyone. If you're trying to open your Snapchat recap, but you're not sure where Snapchat actually hid it this year, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. And I'll show you both ways to find it so you don't miss out. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. When it opens, you'll land on the main camera screen. In the top left corner, tap your profile icon. This takes you straight to your profile page. Now, look just under your username. You'll see sections like Stories, Cameos, and Memories. And depending on your app version, your recap might appear right here. If Snapchat has already rolled it out to your account, you'll see a small banner or card labeled Recap or Year in Review. If it shows up, just tap it, and your recap will open instantly. You can watch the full highlight, save it, or share it with friends. But if you don't see anything there, don't panic. Snapchat doesn't release it to everyone at the same time. That's why they added a backup method that works even if the in-app button is missing. So here's the second way. Open your web browser, and in the address bar, type snapchat.com.recap. This is the official recap page, and it works on most phones. When the page loads, tap Login, then sign in with your Snapchat account. After you log in, the website will automatically check if your recap is ready. If it is, it'll show up right on your screen. Tap it to open it. And from there you can download it, save it, or share it anywhere you want. If you still can't see your recap using either method, here are 2 quick fixes that usually work. First, update your Snapchat app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install the latest update. The Snapchat often makes the recap appear once you're on the newest version. Second, force close the app and reopen it. Sometimes the recap card only shows up after restarting. If this helped you out, feel free to hit like and subscribe for more easy mobile guide.